You are going to love the 2023 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.